Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into Samsung's next-generation smartwatch lineup for 2025, highlighting the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the game-changing new updates arriving with One UI 8 watch. With official renders now out and software advancements leading the way, it's time to examine how these wearables are shaping the future of digital wellness, fitness tracking, and smart living. Samsung, long established as a key innovator in wearable tech, has now unveiled its complete 2025 Galaxy Watch series. These official visuals shared by reliable insider sources offer our first detailed look at three major models: the sleek Galaxy Watch 8, the redesigned Watch 8 Classic, and the standout Galaxy Watch Ultra. While the Ultra has its own distinct appeal, today's focus is on the elegant evolution of the Classic and its versatile siblings. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic immediately commands attention. Design-wise, it mirrors some of the early leaks that divided opinions in the tech community. Initially, its shape and strap connection raised eyebrows, but now, with the official renders providing a crystal-clear view, it's clear that Samsung has taken cues from both its existing premium models and new design trends. The result? A more refined, polished version of the Watch Ultra's rugged form, balanced with a touch of minimalist sophistication. However, one detail that may spark debate is the unique strap mechanism. Many fans hoped this feature was a placeholder or prototype misdirection, but the official images confirm its inclusion. The attachment point, more angular than previous models like the Watch 6 Classic, may take some getting used to. That said, the Watch 8 Classic still offers a premium wrist presence, solid build quality, polished lines, and subtle curves, all contributing to a luxurious feel. It's an aesthetic and functional upgrade for those who appreciate both fashion and tech. Shifting to the standard Galaxy Watch 8, Samsung has opted for a more reserved, streamlined look. The cushion case shape returns but is softer and subtler than on the Classic or Ultra. While its appearance might not be as bold, it sets itself apart from the crowded smartwatch market with clean lines and a simplified visual language. Whether this design improves upon the Galaxy Watch 7 is subjective, but it's safe to say that Samsung isn't afraid to experiment with bold identity cues. As always, health and activity tracking are front and center, delivering robust support for fitness-focused users. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Watch Ultra, name Samsung is sticking with for 2025, rather than branding an Ultra 2. This decision hints that the upgrades are more about refinement than revolution. Hardware-wise, it's identical to the Watch 8 and 8 Classic. So, if you already own the current Ultra, don't expect any massive performance boost or new internals. What you will see are new color options and some aesthetic polish, making it more appealing to style-conscious consumers. Interestingly, a side-by-side comparison between the Watch 8 Classic and Ultra shows a seemingly smaller display on the Classic. But don't be fooled, this is just an optical illusion. Both watches pack the same crisp, vibrant 1.5-inch AMOLED panel, perfect for viewing fitness data, messages, and health metrics. The visual discrepancy likely stems from bezel styling or case framing. For sizing, the Watch 8 Classic will ship in a single 47mm option, while the regular Watch 8 sticks to its traditional dual-size approach, offering something for everyone. Beyond the hardware, the real evolution lies in the software. Samsung's One UI 8 watch has entered beta and is already showcasing cutting-edge health features that hint at a bold new direction for wrist-based wellness technology. This update elevates the Galaxy Watch experience from simply monitoring to actively coaching and advising users on their well-being. One of the most exciting additions is the improved bedtime guidance feature. Designed to do more than track your sleep, this AI-powered tool evaluates your sleep history and recommends the ideal time for you to start winding down. It even sends proactive reminders to help build consistent sleep routines, aiming to boost daytime alertness and brain function. Another standout feature is vascular load, a unique metric that monitors how much pressure your blood vessels experience during sleep. A higher than usual load could signal health concerns, particularly relating to cardiovascular wellness. To ensure reliable readings, you'll need to wear your watch overnight for at least 3 nights within a 2-week period. This ongoing observation model reinforces Samsung's push toward early detection and preventive healthcare. Fitness fans will be pleased to hear about the new running coach, which offers real-time training feedback and builds a personalized running plan based on your ability. The coach isn't a generic app, but adjusts intelligently to your performance levels and goals, offering more meaningful feedback over time. To begin, users must complete a one-time running test that gauges fitness level and calibrates the watch's coaching recommendations accordingly. And here's a truly unexpected development: the antioxidant index. Samsung's newest sensor-driven innovation allows users to check their body's level of carotenoids, natural antioxidants derived from vegetables and fruits. Why does this matter? High antioxidant levels help fight aging and reduce cellular damage caused by free radicals. The measurement takes only a few seconds and provides a window into your overall metabolic health. This marks a major step forward in non-invasive biomarker tracking on a consumer wearable. It's worth noting that the vascular load and antioxidant index features are part of Samsung's experimental labs section, which means they're still in development and will be refined based on user data and feedback. The bedtime guidance feature also requires some initial sleep data to activate, while the running coach only kicks in after completing the fitness baseline test. These details show Samsung's commitment to accuracy, personalization, and data-driven health support. Visually, One UI 8 watch gets a big overhaul as well, borrowing from One UI 7, which runs on Galaxy phones and tablets. This update introduces pill-shaped UI tiles for smoother navigation. The goal is to make rectangular info blocks work on a round display without looking awkward. Early impressions of the design suggest it could provide a much cleaner and more modern interface, though user feedback during the beta period will ultimately determine how intuitive it feels on the wrist. Overall, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the broader 2025 lineup represents a meaningful step forward for Samsung's wearables. With strong attention to visual design, advanced health tools, and tighter integration with its mobile ecosystem, these watches aren't just accessories, they're comprehensive wellness companions. Whether you're trying to get fit, sleep better, monitor your heart, or now even track antioxidants, Samsung's 2025 watches are ready to help. At technology in the future, we believe these changes show Samsung's dedication to delivering health-focused innovation without losing sight of user comfort, style, or long-term utility. This isn't about gimmicks, it's about delivering tools that make a real impact on your day-to-day life. And with One UI 8 watch leading the way, your wrist just got smarter. Stay connected for more deep dives, updates, and reviews as these exciting devices roll out. Hit that subscribe button on technology in the future to stay ahead of the curve. In wearables, health tech, and beyond, the future of personal wellness is here. Don't miss it.